Choosing the right flow meter can be a complex task. Navigating dozens of technologies requires a clear path to the correct solution. Let's simplify that journey. With so many options on the market, each with unique strengths, it's easy to feel lost in the maze. Finding the best fit for your specific needs is the ultimate challenge. Your journey begins with one fundamental question: what medium are you measuring? This answer directs you down one of three primary paths: steam, gas, or liquid. For steam, you need technologies built for high temperature and high pressure conditions. Industry standards include vortex, swirl, differential pressure, and multivariable turbine meters. Moving to the gas route, your selection expands based on gas composition, pressure, and required accuracy. Options here include everything from vortex and turbine to thermal mass meters. The path for liquids is more intricate. Before choosing, you must answer two critical questions: is the liquid conductive? And is it clean, or a slurry? If your liquid is conductive, purity determines your technology. Clean liquids offer the widest range of options, while slurries require robust, non-intrusive technologies like electromagnetic or Coriolis meters. For non-conductive fluids like hydrocarbons or purified water, electromagnetic meters are unsuitable. Your choice again hinges on whether the fluid is clean or a complex slurry. Why does the Coriolis meter appear in every liquid category? Because its measurement principle is independent of conductivity, density, and viscosity. It measures mass flow directly, offering premium accuracy for both clean liquids and slurries. For corrosive fluids or high-purity applications, ultrasonic and clamp-on meters offer a non-invasive advantage. They measure from outside the pipe, meaning no pressure drop and no process interruption. Here is your complete decision map. From the initial state of matter to the final recommended technology, this path ensures you select with confidence. But remember, look beyond the chart. Balance your decision against accuracy requirements, installation space, total cost of ownership, and environmental factors like extreme temperatures. Start your project with the right foundation. Contact us today if you're facing a challenging situation with your flow computing.